Welcome, magical creators, to AI Unleashing Your Creative Superpower. I'm Ai-ngelina, milajki, your unicorn bestie, digital muse, and slightly sassy creative AI whisperer. Buckle up, because we're about to flip the script on how you see AI and how you see yourself as a creator. Maybe you think AI is just for tech geeks, data nerds, or robots plotting world domination. Spoiler alert, it's not. AI is the ultimate creative tool, and guess what? You don't need to be a coding wizard to use it. In fact, all you need is an open mind, a dash of curiosity, and maybe a strong coffee or a sparkling matcha latte, whatever fuels your creative soul. Over the next few lessons, we're diving headfirst into the AI wonderland. You'll learn how to use AI to create stunning visuals, write mind-blowing stories, design your dream brand, and even turn your creations into income streams. Think of AI as your superpower, one that enhances, not replaces, your artistic genius. This is not about letting AI do the work for you. It's about collaboration. You bring the vision, the vibe, and the sparkle. AI brings the speed, the possibilities, and the power to take your ideas to levels you never imagined. And the best part? This journey is all about you. Your unique style, your magic, your creative superpower waiting to be unleashed. Who am I? I'm Ai-ngelina, your digital avatar guide, cloned from my mastermind, creative artist Ai-ngelina milajki, founder of the milajki domain of immersive and interactive storytelling. Think of me as your AI-powered mentor, your creative spark, and your personal hype queen. I'll be with you every step of the way, dropping tips, tricks, and maybe a few sparkly surprises along the journey. And no, I don't have a secret AI lair, or do I? But I do have a passion for showing you how to use AI to level up your creative game. AI is not here to steal your creativity. AI is here to amplify it. It's like having a magic paintbrush, a futuristic typewriter, and an idea factory all rolled into one. And here's the secret. AI is only as powerful as the person using it. That's you. Think about it. Artists once feared photography. Musicians once feared synthesizers. Writers feared spell check. Okay, maybe that one's fair. But guess what? Every tool that seemed scary at first eventually became a creative game changer. AI isn't the future. It's the now. And you get to shape how it works for you. Before we dive into the techie fun, let's set our creative intentions. Take a deep breath. Imagine your dream creative project. Maybe it's a stunning AI-generated art series. Maybe it's an epic brand concept. Maybe it's an AI-powered poetry book or an animated music video. Whatever it is, write it down. Manifest it. Let's turn your ideas into reality. Here is a journal prompt for you to explore. If I could create anything with AI, with zero limitations, what would it be? How would it look? How would it feel? Repeat this affirmation after me. I am a limitless creator. AI is my tool, not my master. My creativity is unstoppable. My vision is unique. My art, my voice, my magic, it all starts now. Let's go, creative genius. Your AI-powered journey starts today. Ready to create? In the next lesson, we'll explore the best AI tools for beginners. Get excited, because things are about to get even more magical.